Welcome to Martial Arts Philosophy by yours truly, David. It's a new change in the channel. If you're interested in footwork and movement, you should click on the icon that's going to be appearing on the top of your screen. I got a little technique there. You want to try it? It's a good workout. And let's start this. Now, so what I'm going to talk about right now real quick is what I feel about JKD philosophy. Okay. JKD philosophy, it always talks about that. You should be true to yourself, always express yourself, and always have faith in yourself, right? But when it comes down to it, it's just a self-discovery, right? So if you talk about self-discovery, you're discovering the self. You gotta think. When people talk to you, think and hear it. Don't let it be a chatter. If people are coming at you, throwing gems at you, then maybe you should accept it. And if you accept those gems, that'll make you a better person. Second of all, I believe they got different philosophies and stuff, right? So when it comes to JKD, they have the JKD self-defense, which is the Tao, right, of Jeet Kune Do, which is, of course, they have the original JKD, and then they got the JKD original concepts from Dan and Asante, right? So which is called JKD concepts. So it's different. So I do believe that when it comes to self-defense, the original JKD is the most direct form of it. But it was also taught that there ain't no JKD that could be fit anybody. It needs to be in self-discovery. Because what I could do, you can do. What you can do, I can do, right? So you can standardize it, but so much. But it's not, you can't just put it and say, oh, but this is the format to a certain extent. But you want to develop things and you want to incorporate it. Remember, the philosophy itself is a way of life. It's just making sure that you make it to the highest level of yourself. You know, and I'm a practitioner of self-defense. Like I said, I used to practice a little bit in boxing when I was younger, and I believe that you should always defend yourself. And they have physical techniques to do that, but there's also mental techniques. Okay, everything doesn't gotta be physical. There's times when instead of using this, you can probably use this. It's called de-escalation, right? You want to de-escalate. That's being a soldier in the mind, okay? So that's using philosophy right there. You also have observation, situational awareness, a lot of concepts. But do I believe that you should train yourself physically? Of course, because it's mind, body, spirit, okay? But you do need the physical. So if the physical is not in par with the mind and the spirit, then you have a little weakness. So you want to unification, okay? So this is like a quick one. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see if I'll drop something soon when it comes to like physical fitness. But I'm just contemplating on these things and listen. When I speak to you, listen. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you